2012 Nissan Sentra. I took the radio out just to look, and okay, the lights will light up when I put marker lights on or headlights, and even it'll try to eject a CD, but it won't take one in. You can hear that? Okay. Now I'll go look over here. I'm noticing now that I've never had this part before, but that there is rust on there. But looking in here, you guys can tell me that know more about mechanics, car audio than I do. Does everything looks okay here? I mean, if anybody could tell me, where does the ground in any of these wires go to the car? But then again, if the ground was off, would it still try to eject a CD, and would it still light up all these lights and everything on the buttons when I turn marker lights or headlights on? I really appreciate anybody's feedback. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm thinking that can't be the original radio. Unless, I don't think water got in there, because it looks pretty clean to me. And well, maybe not. Maybe not perfectly, okay. Sorry guys, I'm just taking pictures. Thank you for watching, and if you got any comments or suggestions, please let me know. If you got any ideas where I could buy a factory one again, just like that, or want a radio that has exactly the same connections like this right here, so I don't have to change like any wires out down here in there. Please let me know. That will fit in here. I'm not a car person, or audio person, or mechanic. But this is the whole radio here. I got some Torx, what you call it, off. For now I'm putting it back in, even though it doesn't work. It's just so it doesn't, look like this. But yeah, if somebody knows where I get this radio factory and replace it, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.